Hello and welcome to 5 Minutes in the Shed. Right then, second 5 minutes of this build. This is covered in mud and crap and dirt, and I hate working on dirty motorbikes, so I'm going to go and give it a scrub. First thing, give it a scrub, get it in on the lift. So I've got chemicals and a bucket, and I'm going to give it a scrub. Not easy to push with flat tyres. Okay, now I've got to figure out how it's going on the stand. Don't know that bit yet. Let's have a look. Right, so I'm literally taking everything off it. So wheels, I'll drop the engine out because the frame's all rusty. I'll paint that while it's all out. This part of the frame's all got to come off, and the foot pegs. So I'm trying to think the best way of picking it up. I think if I pick it up on the wheels, then I can't take the wheels out, but I can drop the engine out. Is it better to drop the engine out first? I don't know. It might be better to drop the engine out first, get everything off it, and just have two wheels and a frame, because they're light as a feather then. I think I'll do that. So I need the wheel loops in, and then I can bring it up in the air. Right. So that's it then, all ready to go. Poor old sorry thing, sat up here in the air. But I think we can make it better. The more you look at it, the more it's just, oh man, it's just, you know. So I've got the corrosion damage and stuff, corrosion around here and things like that, that was just because it belonged to a teenager. And then obviously the damage from abuse from being stolen. So yeah, I think that's enough for this 5 minutes. So join me next time when I get the spanners out and I tear the whole thing apart. We're going to get down to its bones, clean it up, put a bit of paint on it. It's not going to be a show bike, you know, it's not going to be a Project Tribza, but I think we can make it much nicer than it is. And we'll get all the parts, we'll throw it back together, and then little old girl will be saved for another 17-year-old to crash. Alright, thanks for watching.